In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how are you going to create a Bybit account and how are you going to verify it and how are you going to deposit a crypto in your Bybit account. If you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thank you. For you to create a Bybit account, you can use our referral code or you can click the link below and enjoy a 5,000 bonus for new users. Okay, when you click the link, it will bring you in this interface automatically. So I'm going to put my email address. Then after that, to click get my welcome bonus. Okay, after creating your account, download Bybit app and authenticator. So you come to Bybit app here, you log into your account that you just created. Here you put your email address and here you put your password. Then click login. I log in to my account. You see, first of all, we are going to check here. You see, is unverified ID. So what we are going to do is to verify our ID. To verify our ID, you have to come back here to the home page. You see down here, the home page. Then we are going to click to verify now. You see, then here you choose your country, whatever you want. See, like I'm just giving an example. Chad, you see, so I can choose Chad, Nigeria, whatever I want. Then I have to click verify $220. You see, so here take a photo of your ID, then continue. For the security reason, I'm not showing this part, but you can do it. It's not that hard. Then you are going to do selfie of your like face ID, then continue. Then in less than 1 hour they are going to verify and they're going to send you a message in your email address. Okay, after you receive the email of the verification, first of all you're going to come here, then you're going to check, you see, if it's really verified. So here it's already verified. You're going to buy USDT. For you to have USDT in your balance here, you see here the balance is 0. You see, today you are going to use P2P. You are going to buy USDT by using P2P. You can click more. You see, once you click more, you find P2P here. So you click to P2P, then you see it brings us in this interface. You see, it brings us in this interface. So what are we going to do first? We are going to see here we have USDT. You see, and here we have buy and sell. What you're going to do now is to buy. If you have USDT, you want to sell it, you click sell. But now we are going to buy USDT. You see, second things, we are going to look up here. You see, up here we have ruble. You click here and you choose your currency. You see, you have ZAF. This is like for Central Africa. You see, like you see, you have NGN like Naira. You see, USD. You see, so you can buy USDT by USD. You see, so just an example, NGN like Naira. So you see the price is changed automatically. See, personally I'm going to use ruble. Here I'm going to write the amount, how much I want to buy, just like 500 ruble. You see, so this 500 is around 6 or 7 USDT. You see, here you choose the payment method that are available in our country. You see, then you click confirm. You see, then you choose which price and which person, which seller or which merchant you want to work with. So in this case I'm going to select this one, place ruble. You see, this is in Russian language, but definitely in your country find it in English. You see, so you buy, click buy. You see, when you click buy, you're going to receive the process that you can send the money. You understand? Then you're going to send. After completing the payment, you're going to click here, the payment completed. As you can see, I've already received the balance here, 6.67 USDT. In the next video, I'm going to show you how are you going to receive USDT from another exchange and how are you going to send USDT from Bybit to another exchange. And don't forget in the bio to join our Telegram community. But that's all for today. If you like content like this, if you see this content is helpful, please share the link so that it can reach to many people as well. And see you in the next video.